Hey everyone, so I'll be doing an overview of the Attack on Titan Season 3 Part 2 Limited Edition Blu-ray DVD with the collectible art book. And unfortunately in 2021, if you want to buy these brand new, you're going to have to pay scalper prices for these because they sold out very quickly in 2020. Much faster than the previous limited edition versions. I was planning to wait a full year for it to be discounted on Black Friday, but that plan didn't quite work out. So here I am buying a used copy off eBay for a steal of about $30 including shipping. Normally this would retail for around $80. But since I bought it used, hence it's only an overview video and not an unboxing video. But without further ado, let's just go ahead and take a look at it. I got the main things that it comes with. What I am missing is the digital copy that you can use to watch it online on Funimation.com. And that back advertisement piece of paper, which most people throw away anyways. But let's take a look at this awesome digipack. So if you watch my previous videos on the other Attack on Titan limited editions, you can see they kept with the theme of big titans in the background with something in the foreground. So in this case, we see the Attack Titan fighting the Armor Titan in the background and Armin and Erwin in the foreground. Taking a look at the spine, once again, the emblem has changed now to match what was primarily shown in this part, which is the Scouts. And you can see, of course, limited edition, season 3, part 2, and the episode count right there. The awesome thing about these discs is that it contains both the original Japanese dub as well as the English dub. So you got subtitles on the Japanese versions, of course. And you got Erwin here on the back with both of his arms, in contrary to just one arm on the front. But opening it up, you can see we got the two Blu-ray discs on the left here. The characters imprinted are Reiner and Bertolt, and you can see all the special features are housed on these Blu-ray discs. Mines are a little bit scratched up again because they are used, but the cool thing is that if you get the standard version of the Blu-rays or the DVDs, the discs art is exactly the same. So if you do end up, having unreadable discs, eventually you can just buy the normal versions and don't have to spiel on the full limited editions. On the other side, it has the two DVD discs. Again, only one of them has special features just because DVDs can't hold as much data as Blu-rays. So if you want the full experience, you definitely want to watch this on the Blu-ray disc. But the artwork of choice on the DVD discs are Levi and Armin. Oh, and it's worth noting that these are region locked, unfortunately. So DVD region 1 and Blu-ray region A for the United States and Canada. And just as before, the background behind the disc is basically a portion of the territory within the walls. But let's take a look at the limited edition feature of this digipack, which is the artwork, which is very beautiful. You get brief profile descriptions of some of the characters that appear in this part 2 of season 3, as well as the 4-panel comic, which is pretty cool. It's been translated from Japanese and it's only available pretty much in this edition. And you have some other very nice concept art and blown up artwork. So this particular digipack is focused more on the artwork piece of this, whereas the art book is kind of a blend of artwork as well as some director and other creator comments. So taking a look at the exterior of the art book first, it definitely resembles that journal in one of the OVAs. So it was designed to look a little bit older, but it's actually not supposed to look this old because you can see the torn or crimped edges because it's been used. But overall, I think the interior content's pretty good because I still have some tip-top glossy paper showing the, again, graphic art as well as interviews from the creation staff. And they also have a couple storyboards in the back, which is very awesome to see for the animation. Not to mention some full-page colored artwork that has never been seen in the animation before, which are a treat to, of course, the limited edition buyers. So it's a pretty thick art book, 60 pages in total. You can see its thickness next to the digipack here. And of course, if you watch my limited edition season 3 part 1 unboxing and overview video, you know that that particular version comes with the collector's box. So now I'm able to fit in my part 2 alongside its art book right next to part 1 in a nice seamless set. But I'll do it for this limited edition. Hopefully you get lucky like I did and you can find a reasonable priced one, if not new. With the final season out, I do anticipate that they will also make some kind of limited edition for that one as well. So definitely subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'll for sure be looking out for that and purchasing it when I see it available.